Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial topics to make them simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling how to sell stocks on Raymond James. If you're new to trading or just want a quick guide on using Raymond James's platform, you're in the right place. Raymond James is a popular brokerage firm with user-friendly tools, and selling stocks here is easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Raymond James account. Head over to their website or open the app and enter your credentials. Make sure your account is verified and funded, nothing worse than being ready to sell but hitting a roadblock. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Portfolio section. Here, you'll see a list of your holdings. Find the stock you want to sell. It's usually displayed with current market value and any gains or losses. Click on that stock to open its details. Next, look for the Trade or Sell button. This will take you to the order entry page. Now, decide on your order type. A market order sells immediately at the current price, which is great for quick trades. If you want more control, go for a limit order, where you set a specific price. Don't forget to specify the number of shares you're selling, whether it's all of them or just a portion. After filling in the details, double-check everything. Review the total amount, fees involved, and any potential tax implications. Raymond James might charge a commission, so keep an eye on that. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button to execute the trade. And just like that, you've sold your stock. You'll get a confirmation email or notification shortly. Remember, always stay informed about market conditions and consider consulting a financial advisor for big decisions. Trading involves risks, so trade smart. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. What's your next trading topic? See you in the next video.